Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix apps crashing on your iPhone, iPad, iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to tap on general, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on background app refresh, and then tap on background app refresh again. And from here you have to select on Wi-Fi and mobile data, so you have to select one of them and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, go to general, and then you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here make sure that you have enough space in your iPhone. If you don't have enough space in your iPhone, then you have to delete some of the apps and music and files which is unnecessary, so you have to delete this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply tap on settings, and you have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on software update, and from here you have to update your software from here and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply hold this one and then tap on updates, and from here check if any update is available or not. So you have to update all of the apps from here and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then what you have to do is just simply delete the specific apps which causing for this problem. So for example, Instagram is crashing, then you have to hold this one and then tap on remove app. From here your app will be removed, and then you have to open App Store, and from here you have to search for Instagram and then reinstall the Instagram from here. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.